how are you? This is me, Rashi, art excellence teacher from Art of Living. We are going to do some creative stuff. So would you like to do something with me? Okay, let's see. I have made something interesting, something very funny. So I just tell you what it is. Hey, so we have finger puppets. Wow. See, it makes a noise also a little bit. So this has googly eyes. This is a nice glossy paper, and if you can see closely, I put a nose, lips, tongue, and tried to make it funny. And there's a little crown also over the finger puppets. Yeah, and you can write something about this family. This family has how many members? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 family members in this family of finger puppets. So very quickly, it's so very easy. It will hardly take a few minutes to make it. Would you like to learn it? Yes, that's why we are really here for you. Yeah. So I'll just quickly remove this from my fingers. What you need is one glossy paper. See, this is white border. The finger puppet that I showed you had what border, what color border? It had black border, but this thing has white border. Okay, so my finger puppet size should begin from here, this boundary, not just till here. A little space we need, a little airy space, and for the crown also we need some space. So it will go till here. The size of the finger puppet will be round about this much. Okay, so I quickly make a line and I show you. I take a scale also. I need a scale. I quickly draw a line with a sketch pen or marker, whatever you have with these. And I show you how I made it. See, I made it like this. Okay, it's so quick. You just need a roundabout size. Okay, we can't go very accurate with very meticulous about the size. And I quickly cut this off. And yes. So my job is almost done. You will say job is done. Yes, almost, So this is like this. Now I need to cut it into 5 parts. Okay, so if this is my finger and I wrap it around this, so it should be 2-sided. So I need round about this kind of thing. So I cut it from this thing. Okay, and then how many more I need? I need 5 things more. So I quickly do it roundabout, because I know one size I take with the pen. I can even make a mark. Okay, I can make a mark also. And I cut one thing. Then I cut the other round about the same size. 3, 4, and 5. You know what? If I make it for thumb, it has to be a little thick one. If I have to make for the little finger, it has to be a little thin. But if you don't want to get into the complications of the size, what are you going to do? You are going to make everything the same, not too loose, not too tight, so that it fits in all the thumb and fingers. Getting my point? So after this thing is ready, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it like this, and I will put quickly Fevicol where, see, the border thing has to be at the bottom. This has to be fixed with Fevicol and hard pressed. This has to be hard pressed with Fevicol. Okay, but this thing has to be kept loose so that you can put your finger inside. My dear children, this has to be loose so that you can put your fingers inside. Okay, good. So instead of doing manually, I will just show how it will look. I have some ready-made things. just to save your time and to save my time. My time is anyways for you only. So it will look like this. This thing will be empty. This thing is hard pressed, this thing is hard pressed. 2, then 3. And more 2 like this. So what I am going to do, if I show you again this finger puppet, it has a curved structure like this and a crown. You must be wondering how it happened. So it's so easy. Let's do it. I take this scissor and I do something curved cutting like this. So this I have a curved structure here, and this I have as a crown. If the crown opens up, it's okay. If it is like this, again it's okay. So you can put the crown like this. You can paste it with the Fevicol, okay? And I also put some Fevicol. Okay. So if I put the Fevicol, so it just takes few minutes to put my Fevicol things ready. I think this, yeah, it came up good. Okay, yeah, the Fevicol thing is ready. So now I'm going to put the crown thing over the head. Okay, so I put a little Fevicol and put it at the back. And once it's ready to paste, it will dry up like this. See, it has horns, but it's not a devil. It is an angel for us. Okay, and we have so many googly eyes. I show you my googly eyes. My googly eyes are very, very cute. Okay, it has got eyelashes also. See, these are my googly eyes. I will show you once I paste it. I paste it quickly. You know, in the market or at home, if you have from market, either you can purchase, or from home you must be having. You can use it, reuse it. So my googly eyes are ready. See, the eyes are ready. Let me put it in right position. The googly eyes are ready. Okay, a little bit positioning you can adjust. Okay, so after this I take a permanent marker. This is my permanent marker, black color. Okay, so I make a nose, I make lips, I make a naughty tongue, I may make eyebrows also. And this is my finger puppet. Okay, now I need to look into the space so that I can put my finger inside. So this is my finger puppet over my little finger. Ting 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 ting. So once it is dried up, you know, I have something like a bow kind of thing also. With the Fevicol you may put this also at the bottom. So at home you must be having so many creative things. You can adjust the positioning and you can paste them. So once more I put my all ready-made finger puppets onto my fingers and show you the family. Family. You can write the name of the family, fun family, joy family over here with the sketch pen, and you can fiddle with this and play around. Okay, thank you so much for joining into this. Have fun time, have creative time. Jai Gurudev.